to do a swipe with the plastic wrap again. I did one a couple days ago and I absolutely loved it. I'm changing up the colors just a smidge. Instead of Prussian blue, I'm using Pearl Sapphire blue. And instead of Payne's Gray, I'm using Violet. So not a whole big difference, but a little bit. Because I love the color combination that came from it, so I didn't want to stray too far. And I'm just pouring, this is my white, my Dutch Boy white paint with Floetrol and water. It is satin finish. Some of you have asked what finish it is, and it's satin. See if I can check the other side without getting my shirt in it. This is a 10 by 20 canvas. Leaning over is tricky. So it is a rainy, cruddy day. I hope that by the time this airs, it is not rainy and cruddy anymore. And I've got another dog issue. My puppy has started peeing on the concrete. I don't know if I mentioned that before. It's really weird. Peeing on our patio instead of in the grass. So now we're having to go back out with her like she was a puppy again. Well, she is a puppy, but like when she was potty training again. Which neither of my husband nor I are very happy about. Still better than peeing in the house. But it's annoying. Thought it was because she didn't want to get her paws wet because it's been rainy, but we took a walk and she had no problem wandering into everyone else's yard. Boy, that blue really disappeared, didn't it? Hopefully it shows back up when I put the plastic wrap on it. I'm going to try a little bit more blue. And now this white has spot-on treadmill silicone in it. Alrighty. Oops, almost lost it. Perfect. I love it. Love it, love it. Wow, those colors are bright. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much for watching. Can I get it all in there? And I will catch you all next time. Bye.